So this is my 2000 Toyota MRS from Japan. Was imported, and today I'm going to do these coilovers. They are BR RA 46 coilovers. I already did that with modification, and after that you do this, not the other way around. First you do that. So if you have more grip, if you're going to make more grip, you need that first. We begin from the front and afterwards the back. For those of you who don't know what this is the Moroso sump from Monkey Wrench Racing, and it increases your sump to 5.5 liters, has trapdoors and the buffers. So let's continue. So this is how they look, the front. They have adjustable shocks, camber, height, and the spring preload. Yeah, it's preload. One is for the right and one for the left. Of these hooks over here, they have a nice finish to them. So let's begin. So you need to remove this bolt, this one over here, and this one over here. That should be enough. And then the top ones over here. Let's begin. So I removed the old one. This is the new one. They weigh about the same, 5 kilos. So before you try to put it in, check the orientation of the top mount over here. So its face is like that. Let's put it in. So now I've done the coilovers, both sides. I don't know why, but these brackets over here and over here are not the same as stock. I had to put washers on here because the line over here gets stretched if I put it here, and I don't want to stretch this and maybe cut it while I'm driving. So I put 2 penny washers in the nut over here, and this cable tie is for if something fails. I passed it through the hole there. And here, even here, it's not the same. I had to put like a washer there, you can see, because it's not the same size. The bracket over here is a little bit bigger, so for that to be inside. So basically make them exactly as they should be, like the OEM. Look, this one is a little bit in the front, of the shock. This is a little bit at the back, as you can see. So the line gets stretched. I don't want to stretch this. The brake hose, the hose pipe. So I will do this. I measured the stock length of the shock from this bolt to up here. It was 39, and I measured here to make it also 39, so that it will be the stock length for now. Then I did the camber on this side, that's already done. It's a little bit cambered, as you can see, and it's all the way outside, like 1 degree, not on the floor. So it's up here, it's 1 degree right now, while on the floor it will change, but so I put it all the way for now, and then we'll adjust it later. I put this tank looks away from soft, the shock absorber, tighten everything and start the back. So these are the rear shocks. This is the old one, this is the new. I think there's the same problem like the front, because this is a little further back than this one. I will check when it's inside, but it seems to be the same. Let's put it in. So as you can see, I removed the old ones and I did them both sides. The coilovers are ready. I don't know what is the preload on these from DC, but they were too stiff. You couldn't turn them with your hand. Now it's like you can go up and down, but you can't turn them. With these, it's like what I said before. They are not the same as the old shocks. So I did a bolt, penny washer, and a spacer. So it would be this would be free to move, not hard. You can see it moves a little bit. It wouldn't be stretched, because my friend told me he damaged his, and I need a cable tie if this gets loose or something. I did them max camber from here all the way inside for now, and tank legs from soft. And now I will start the alignment. So I did all the coilovers and I aligned it. As you can see, it's pretty much stock. I didn't want to lower it more than stock, because the arms will not be straight, and so there would be a misalignment. I hope this video helped you in any way. Drop a like, subscribe if you want. I don't know if you want more videos of this. See you all later. Ciao.